In this video, I'm going to see how we can do some little bit of descriptive statistics in Python using pandas, how we can perform some kind of descriptive statistics. Now, let me have a data frame. I've already created my data frame using this line of code. First and foremost, I imported pandas as PD, and I created my data frame. Now, I printed out the data frame. Now, for instance, let's assume I want to um, I'm interested to know the average or the mean temperature or the minimum temperature. Okay, is case sensitive. Okay, that is the for the temperature, and I said that let's say the minimum. Okay, let's running this line of code. Um, Running the particular line of code, it gives a minimum of 0 to 17. Give me 18, 19, 20, 21. It removes the 17 is not included. So if I want to just point only 17 as the minimum temperature which I'm interested in, that gives me just the minimum temperature. Then I go to this. That gives me the maximum temperature. And if I want to do this more, for instance, if I'm interested in the range, let's just give it a try and see. Okay, that gives us an error for the range. The cell also supported operators. Now, okay, it does not support this particular operator sign. Okay, so let's see to get the mean. At times you might use that operator sign. It goes with that particular operator. What just happened? Mean what an error. Could not convert the string to numerical. Okay, okay. Now, could not convert the string to numerical. I was saying the main value. Okay, could not convert that string to a numerical value. So, okay, let's see what we can also do in the data frame. Okay, that gives us the summary statistics of our dataset, the count, the unique, the top, and the frequency. Let's go to our data house studio. I've also done the same thing. I make use of this line of code to create a data frame in R, and I use this the data frame. Once you run this line of code, and the moment you print this other line of code, that prints the data frame. So I want to run some descriptive statistics. Like in pandas, we make use of describe data frame to describe. We can use we can use the summary statistics, and then we this is the name of our data frame. Okay, we introduce since we're only interested in one column, we make use of the you just pick a column. But why in pandas we just use the data frame or the f the data frame, we use the bracket and we include that into it. So yeah, we use this. So we run this line of code that gives us the summary statistics, like what we got in Python, where you use the data frame to describe. We got the count, we have the unique, we got the top, we have the frequency, and here we use this and we got this. So also we can also try to see the maximum value for the temperature. Okay, unlike the Python, okay, you can see the maximum temperature is 21. Unlike Python, while we're doing that, we did the the data frame and we make use of this and we use the temperature. Okay, okay, that's 21. So that is how it we use that in Python. But in our studio, we use a max and we just pick only a particular column by introducing the dollar sign to get just to pick on a particular column. Now what we do here is I run that. That's the minimum. Unlike Python that does data select, we use the main here. Okay, that gives us the main, and also we can also okay, let's try what we tried doing in Python. Let's see what we tried doing in Python by using this operator sign. Okay, minus this. Okay, running this particular line of code that gives us the range. Okay, we could name this. We save it in an object known as the range if we want to. Okay, we can save that in an object known as range. Now that can gives us that. Then we now come here and call that the range, and that prints the range. Okay, in Python, recall why we tried doing using that. I think we got an error. Okay, where we use the maximum minus this. The error was that it couldn't convert that to unsupported. Okay, unsupported the string wasn't supported. So here we can also see using the range. Okay, now you can see the range, the lower and the largest. That's the range. So this how to do a quick statistics in R and in Python. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our TikTok channel, and our Instagram channel.